So we're digging this motor out, we're dusting it off, we're going to try and get back into it. Now we disassembled it probably late last year or early last year, and we found that number one rod had some damage. Going to be measuring the engine for new rings and bearings, and so hopefully we can piece it together, and then I'll be able to maybe think about putting it into the Sigma. So we found some wear on number one, so we measured the crank for wear to see how far out that it might be, and luckily for us it was within spec. Actually, it was bang on, but there is some slight marking on there, so we might have to just come up with an ingenious way to polish that. So kind of got the green light to put this engine together, but I'm going to have to pull it apart, give it a good clean, and then we can think about rebuilding it. So I've got the crank out and pistons, and just looking at the condition of these main bearing caps, they don't look too bad, but I will still replace them. I'll put brand new ones in, and looking at the condition of the crank, it's hard to see because there's still oil on there, but that looks pretty good, and yeah, it didn't look too bad apart from number one. So we'll give this all a clean, a massive clean, and put it together. Block has been all cleaned up and painted, looking okay. Nothing says fresh rebuild like a painted block. So today's task is to squeeze all that back in. put new bearings and new rings in there, we've honed the bores, we've cleaned the block, and we've also removed the balance shafts, which just eliminates a little bit of danger, especially with that belt that can let go. So for now, that's it for the block. Now it's the head. So I'm going to try and get the head just cleaned, tested, make sure that it's okay, there's no cracks. But that's a bit of an expense, so I'm going to have to save up for that. And then after the head's done, get into the real business. I'm pretty pumped to get this thing done. As you may or may not know, this is going to go into my blue Sigma, and I'm going to concentrate on that at the moment. If I can get that done and finished, I say finished, I'm most likely probably going to flick that on to concentrate on other projects, but for now my concentration is on this and that blue Sigma to get it going. I was going to try and get it going for the old school drag day coming up this December, but I think I've missed the boat on that one. I'm probably going to be behind on that one, as the rate that I work at, it's not a surprise. As always, you can follow the progress on the social media. So there's the Instagram or the Facebook that you can have a little gaze at, and you can subscribe if you like, if you want to follow along this build. And you could try and and you could subscribe.